Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to G.T.M farm and rabbitry. It's been a minute. We've just been kind of busy here on the farm doing farm stuff and other stuff. I've been working a lot lately. We have our company inventory coming up at my work. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a few updates on the farm, and yeah, I'll show you around a little bit. So these are the ducks. They've grown up really big since the last time you guys probably saw them. Some of them are laying eggs kind of irregularly. We've been looking around. We can't really find them anywhere. Sometimes they lay them inside their duck house. But yeah, I've been looking all over. I can't find where else they would be laying them. But yeah, over here, these are the meat chickens. They're set to be harvested, I think, next weekend. They're getting pretty big, so they just got to plump up a little bit more, and I think they'll be good to go next weekend. And the layer chickens over there, a lot of them have already started laying. This is the newest goat on the farm. This is Stormy. I don't remember if we showed her on video yet. I think I made a post about her, maybe on our Instagram. But she is a very sweet goat. Like, loves people, loves to be pet. Will come right up to you. Just licking my phone right now. And she, we believe, is bred already. So a few months we'll know if we have another little baby on the farm. Hi, you good girl. You good girl. Very sweet. Then I also just kind of wanted to show you in the goat area. It looks a little bit cleaner than usual right now, but that's just because there's hay everywhere. We are going to get this cleaned out one more time before the snow flies, because it's November, is it the 4th already? I think it's November 4th today. Saturday, yeah. So we do want to get this cleaned out one more. What are you doing? We want to get this cleaned out one more time before the snow flies, just so they have as clean as possible bedding for the winter. These are the other goats we have. That is Sadie, Princess, Licorice, and Cadbury. They've actually been shaved since the last time you saw them, probably, so they look a little bit smaller. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. So thank you for tuning into this little update. We will try to keep you updated and post a little bit more often. I know it's kind of gotten away from me. Like I said, just been working a lot. Haven't had really the motivation or the energy to come home and record videos. But yeah, so we thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.